Hello viewers, you're watching the Edu Bulletin's exclusive coverage of the ISRO Space Science Exhibition at KL International School, Meerut. In this segment, our host engages with Mr. Sudhanshu Shekhar, Principal, KL International School, Meerut, as he shares his perspective on hosting this enriching event. Let's move to the interview.
के इंट्रोडक्शन में मैं कहना चाहूँगी आप हैं मिस्टर सुधांशु शेखर प्रिंसिपल ऑफ केल इंटरनेशनल स्कूल मेरठ एंड यू हैव गॉट द अपॉर्चुनिटी की सर फर्स्ट एवर टाइम जो इसरो का एग्जीबिशन है स्पेस ऑन व्हील इनिशिएटिव है वो फर्स्ट टाइम मेरठ में आ रहा है और केल को चुना गया है। तो मैं थोड़ा तो ब्रीफ में जाना चाहूँगी कि केल ने कैसे अप्रोच किया एंड हाउ इट गॉट द अपॉर्चुनिटी एंड सेकेंड कि कितने सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो इसमें वॉलंटियर करने वाले हैं।
Right. So, thank you very much, Edu Bulletin, for making this wonderful news for all of us. See, मुझे ऐसा लगता है this is the happiest moment in one of the educator and principal's life and a proud moment for the city, because 3.5 years back I wrote a letter to ISRO that you do an exhibition in Meerut in our school. So they said there is no time and we are quite busy. So after that, next year I wrote a letter, and we had communication with many people, many scientists from ISRO that they are really busy and they are not able to make it. But after 3 years, when this time I talked to them, they said you are looking for 3 years, so this year we are going to come. So just 20 days back, we got a confirmation that ISRO Vikram Sarabhai Space Exhibition, ISRO Center Ahmedabad, say there will be a bus with all the devices. They are going to come and they are going to be here from 12 to 14. So 12th is going to be the inauguration of this event. We have invited the schools of Meerut, their students, and we have given a slot, because it is very difficult to manage, because the scientists will answer their questions. There will be queries. There will be sessions on a different satellite and launching, and then there is exhibition. There is a space on wheels that is there. So we have selected all the CBSE schools, all the UP board schools, ICC schools, and we have invited and we have already sent a letter to them that please, this is your slot, make it a point to come in this time so that we can make good arrangements for you. So 12th and 13th we are going to have session for students from different boards, different schools and different students. Then on 14th, the closing ceremony, we have a principals meet. All the principals of Meerut will be part of this ISRO exhibition. CBSE Secretary Mr. Himanshu Gupta sir will be coming to address all the principals of Meerut. At the same time, the Regional Director Dharini Arun Madam, she will be also here. So there will be an interaction between CBSE and principals. Then there will be again interaction with the scientists and principals. Then all the CBSE people, scientists and principals will visit the ISRO exhibition. So that is a 3 days wonderful learning from science, talking to scientists and seeing all the ISRO models, and that is the best thing which I feel ever happened to the students at City of Meerut, which is one of the education hub. So I thank Vikram Sarabhai Space Center and ISRO scientists for coming. 10 scientists will be staying with us for 3 days and they will be talking to students, and nearly 5,000 students of our school and 300 teachers, they are going to learn a lot from these scientists throughout the day, maybe late evening.
Okay, that's going to be a golden opportunity.
Yeah.
That is a golden opportunity. Sir, I would also like to know that apart from the exhibition, are there any other activities that school has arranged, or will there be any other follow-up activities after this exhibition?
There is exhibition, there is LEC demonstrations are there, there are different ISRO movies are there, their journey is there. So it is not only seeing, it is talking to the scientist, it is in the auditorium seeing ISRO, all the expeditions and other things, and then interaction. A lot of things are there. It is not only exhibition of seeing. Interactions are there, movies are there, and one-to-one discussion with scientists is there. So a lot of things will go.
Lot of things will be there. So one question is that if I see from a visitor perspective, when they will enter the premises, after that, what is going to be their journey till the evening? Like how you have scheduled everything so that it goes smooth.
Once we have invited 150, 200 students in one slot. So they will come and they will go to the auditorium first. They will do the registration, of course, and then they are going to go for the go to the auditorium where the ISRO scientists, science communicators are going to talk to them about journey of ISRO. And that is again, for some time, some 20 minutes or 30 minutes. And after that, they will come out, they will see all the models and will interact with the students, volunteers. Then they will see the rocket launching. Then they are going to go to the bus, Space on Wheels, which is there for them. So these 4 parts are divided in different time zones, and after that, if they have some questions, the scientists are there available, they will talk to them, and then they will go back to their school.
Okay, so that's going to be a very productive day for
Yes.
students and everybody. Thank you so much, sir, and
Thank
once
you very
again,
much.
congratulations.
Thank you, and I pray it a wonderful event for the Meerut, which will be remembered by every student of Meerut and every school and every principal of Meerut. Thank you very much. May God bless us.
Definitely. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the highlights, exciting exhibits, and behind-the-scenes moments from ISRO's Space Science Exhibition.